Hello and welcome to this guide where you will learn how to import contacts into Chatzy AI. You can import your existing contact data from a CSV file into Chatzy AI. A CSV file is simply another format of an Excel file. You can save an Excel file as a CSV file and import it. In this tutorial, we will learn how to do all of this. To start, navigate to Audience from the left sidebar, then click on Contacts inside the Audience section. In the Contacts section, you will see a list of contacts, including their name, email, phone number, and creation date. If you already have contacts, they will be displayed here. If you don't have any, the list will be empty. Before importing contacts, let's understand the main elements that make up a contact in Chatzy AI. Click on any of the contacts, and the contact card will open up. Contacts are made up of three main elements. First is the basic information: first name, last name, email, phone number. Next are attributes, which are additional details about the contact. They can be anything that you want. Next are tags, which are labels to categorize contacts. Example, marking contacts as VIP. Now, let's import contacts from a CSV file. Click on the Import CSV button. This will take you to the Contact Import page. You will find a sample CSV file that provides the correct format for your contacts. Please download this file and open it to view its structure before proceeding. Next, you will see some important instructions for uploading your file. Chatzy AI requires either a phone number or an email address to uniquely identify each contact. Ensure that at least one of these fields is provided. Your CSV file must follow specific column headers for Chatzy AI to recognize the data correctly. For phone number, it's phone_number. For email, it's email in lowercase. For full name, it's full_name. The sample file already contains these headers in the correct format. You can delete the existing data in the sample file and replace it with your own. A maximum of 10,000 contacts can be imported at a time. If importing phone numbers, ensure that the country code is included. There is no plus sign before the country code. There are no spaces, brackets, or special characters in the phone number. For example, an Indian phone number should have 12 digits, including the country code 91, as shown in the sample file. Once your file is ready, upload it and proceed to the next step. As we mentioned before, in Chatzy AI, there are two types of additional contact information. Basic fields, that is first name, last name, email, phone number. Custom attributes, any additional columns in your CSV file, example, gender, age, address, country, will be stored as attributes. Attributes are key value pairs, example, gender, male. After uploading the file, click Next. You will then see an option to apply lists to your imported contacts. This feature allows you to organize your contacts into lists. You can use these lists later in for campaigns or journeys. You have two options. Auto-assign a list. If you do nothing and click Finish, Chatzy AI will automatically create a list named Import with the date and time of import. Select a specific list. If you want to add the contacts to a pre-existing list, you can choose one before finishing the import process. Click Finish and your contacts will soon be imported into Chatzy AI. Once imported, go to the Contacts section to view the newly added contacts, including their name, email, phone number, and creation date. Clicking on any contact will show their basic information: first name, last name, email, and phone number, and custom attributes, additional fields from your CSV file. You can also edit a contact and update any information if needed. That's it. Now you know how to create and import contacts in Chatzy AI. Thank you.